31, our mission is to celebrate, encourage, and reward women for who they are, and those rewards start piling up right away. Through our Signature Wishes Come True Rewards program, you can earn Visa and Disney gift cards, free products, and more during your first few months as a 31 consultant. You'll earn rewards just by working your business and sharing our products. And the best part is you get to choose the rewards you want. Your rewards, your way. Some women use the rewards to book family vacations or buy family extras, while others use them to support their new business. Some even use the rewards to recover the cost of their enrollment kit. And keep in mind, these rewards are on top of all the commission you'll be earning. So this is truly just one of the many perks of being a 31 consultant. So if you're thinking about joining the 31 family, what are you waiting for? Take the next step today and start making your wishes come true.